Hey guys, English 3 online. This is just your weekly video of what we're doing in your class this week. We're about to get really heavy into this project, this research project that you have been working towards. So actually, this is today. This is September 28th for week 6, but I actually want to back up to last week. So last week you got introduced to your research project. So all this was an informational slideshow that told you what was coming up. So you need to look at this, and I would put this in my Google Drive or save it somewhere because this is what everything is working towards. Your rubrics are also included here. And then you have a lesson that goes over CRAP, which is your source credibility organizer, essential questions, and it also details content subjectivity, which is what your assignment last week was all about. So I had a few students email me saying, I'm not really sure what to do on this practice, and I would just direct you to this, okay, because this explains content subjectivity, explains CRAP, it talks to you about bias and spotting fake news, gives you all these source resources, and goes through again with you writing a research question. You have these different things you're looking for when you're judging a source's subjectivity, and you can look for contrasts and contradictions, and that explains it right here. Extreme or absolute language, quoted words, numbers, statistics, and then you have to decide, is this source deceptive or innocent when an author uses one of these, okay? When he uses contrast and contradiction, extreme, absolute language, quoted words, numbers, and stats. So this lesson 6 explains this for you, okay? And then it gives you your task. So there's that. And then you would practice with that. So I tell you to find an article on the New York Times website and then complete this practice. Now, the reason why you completed this last week was because you're about to do this process with every one of your sources. You're going to do the source evaluation and the content subjectivity test. Okay, and you're going to have to go through all these elements with those sources. So I wanted you to practice with it last week before it came down to it. And then this is just submitting your research topic for me, and I'm about to look at these and approve or reject your topic for you. So that was last week. So now coming into Monday of week 6, you have a topic in mind. I need to approve them for you, like I just said. And your task this week, Monday through Friday, is gathering information for one source. And these are 25 points a piece. So if you need assistance with this, I would look at these lessons from previous weeks, lesson 6, lesson 5, 3, 4. Okay, these all lead up to this. And this is what your task is this week. Okay. If it will load. Got it. Source number 1, the CRAP test. So you give me the title, the link to it, the currency, when was it published, tell me how is it relevant to your topic or issue. Please don't just put on here yes or no. Tell me how. Give me the author and then list those credentials. Okay. And then you'll go through this checklist. So does the text contradicts itself? Text contrasts with another text. Text contrasts with what I think I already know about this. So you would pick one of these. And then you would explain your choice. Maybe I'll put this here. Pick one. Okay. You would give an example from the text where you show that it contradicts itself, that it contrasts with another text, or what you already know. You give examples and then explain what you mean in relation to your research question. So you should have a research question. Okay, this was due last week. And then you go through extreme, absolute, or qualifying language. Does the text use extreme language? Pick one. Use absolute statements. Qualifiers are important. You would explain which one you picked. Give an example. Is this innocent or deceptive? You can just highlight. Okay, I know you can't click that little box. You can highlight. This was originally a paper document, but you're online, so I can't print it out and give it to you. So You have to find ways to tell me your answer without that. So you could highlight deceptive if you thought it was deceptive, okay? And then comment. So if I say that this example, this quote is innocent, I need to comment on this piece of evidence and how it answers or relates to my research question. And then I go through quoted words. So pick the necessary. Any that apply. That's what I need to say. Examples from the text. Is this example innocent or deceptive? Is it meant to deceive you in some way? Is it biased? Because if it's biased, it cannot be objective. Okay, you need to see the subjectivity of your content. This is really talking about bias here. If it's too biased, you don't need to use it. And then this is your annotated bibliography rough draft. So give me the main point, give me the evidence used, give me an objective summary where you don't include your opinion, your thoughts, okay, commentary, response to the information presented. You can summarize information from here. And how can you use this in your research paper? What's the application? Okay, so we're in it now, folks. If you need help, you know how to get a hold of me. You can text me on Remind, or you can email me. Whatever you need to do. We can get on a Google Meet. You can come in class. If your grade drops below 70, you should be here anyway. And I will see you guys later. Have a great week. Bye. Figure out how to end this video.